In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a distribution list in Gmail. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is open up Gmail and make sure I'm signed in. Once I'm in, I'm going to move up to the top right corner and click on the waffle icon, the little grid that opens up all of Google's apps. When I click that, I see a bunch of options, and I'm going to scroll down until I find Contacts. I'll click on Contacts to open up the Google Contacts page. Now that Contacts is open, I'm looking at the main screen with all of my contacts listed. Over on the left hand side, there's a section called Labels, which is where Gmail organizes groups of contacts. I'm going to click on Labels, and then I'll select Create Label. A small pop-up appears asking for a label name, and this label will act like our distribution list. I'll type in a name for the label that makes sense, like Team Updates or whatever group I want to email together. Once I've entered the name, I'll click Save, and now the label is ready to use. With the label created, I'm going back to the full list of contacts. I can now start assigning people to this label so they'll be part of the distribution list. I'll click on a contact I want to add, and once that contact is selected, I'll move up to the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the contact's details. When I click on the three dots, a menu drops down with several options, and one of them is Label. I'll check the box next to the label I just created. This assigns that contact to the distribution list, and you'll see a small confirmation that the label is now applied to that contact. I can repeat this process for any additional contacts I want to include in the distribution list. Just select the contact, click the three-dot menu, check the label, and it's added. Once all the desired contacts are labeled, the distribution list is complete, and I can use it when sending emails from Gmail. When composing a new email, I'll just type the label name into the To field, and Gmail will automatically populate all the contacts assigned to that label, making it easy to send one email to the entire group at once. So just to quickly recap what we did while you watch it on screen, we opened Gmail, clicked the waffle icon, went to contacts, clicked labels, created a new label, typed in a name, saved it, went back to the contacts list, selected a contact, clicked the three-dot menu and checked the label to add them to our distribution list. Repeating this for all contacts completes the list and makes group emailing much simpler, and that's really all there is to it. Creating a distribution list in Gmail is a straightforward process that only takes a few minutes, and once the label is set up and contacts are assigned, sending emails to a group becomes fast and organized. It's a great way to keep your emails efficient and make sure everyone in the group gets the message at the same time.